how to silver solder steel rings. In this video I will show you how I use Harris Brazing alloy and the Stay Seal white paste flux to solder these rings. The wire I'm using is 1/16 diameter. This is 45% silver and it's cadmium free. That's very important. That's the brush that goes with the white flux. It's a little big for what I'm doing today, so I've got a piece of stainless steel rod there I'll use to applicate the white paste flux on to my gap there. These are 1/8 inch rings with a 3/4 inch diameter, and I'm soldering that gap together. And I'll use a lightweight torch with a aught tip on it, and I'll show you how I build the heat on each side of the gap there and kind of draw it to the center and not burn up my white flux there. Get each side hot and it goes to the center, and then I flow the Brazing alloy in that little gap there to fill it, and it's real easy to dress it up, making sure I've got enough flux on there on both sides. Just a pretty soft flame with a small tip, and I could actually turn that flame down just a little bit. As you can see, the ring is getting red hot there. When the flux kind of liquefies and everything's ready, it flows real well. Now I'll dip this in water and solder the other side. This is a Brazing alloy with 45% silver in it, and I call it silver soldering. This is a alloy I use for my bits and spurs for the silver mountings, nickel silver or sterling silver. And I've used this on stainless steel, mild steel, and very pleased with the way it works. I'm going through the steps again here, working up my heat on each side to get it down to the center there, and dull red, and my paste flux liquefies. It's time to flow it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out. Thanks for watching.